sailor boy I've been, and all the world I see. My life I spent on the sea, many miles from Knocknashee. Our ship is anchored low, she's ready for to go, to cross the seven seas. We cast off with the breeze. Farewell, my love, farewell. These words to you I tell. From you I must part. You're always in my heart. Soon I'm leaving you. Soon I'm missing you. And as the light starts to fade, goodbye to my Sligo maid. We sailed out from the bay and round by Saint-Tropez. We docked in Singapore, where there's geisha girls galore. It's a lonesome place, you know. The days, they go real slow. Too much time to think, and too much time for drink. At night as I fall asleep, near the ocean wide and deep, and as the light starts to fade, I'm back with my Sligo maid. Homeward bound we sailed, the winds they will prevail, and in the distance I see the top of Knocknashee. Soon I'm seeing you, soon I'm loving you, and as the light starts to fade, I'm back with my Sligo maid. Soon I'm seeing you, soon I'm loving you, and as the light starts to fade, I'm back with my Sligo maid.